Fuel pump relay bypassing is a troubleshooting method used to diagnose starting issues in Chevy and GMC trucks related to a faulty relay or wiring problems. It involves directly powering the fuel pump to bypass the relay's control. Here's a wiring diagram showing the fuel pump circuit with a relay. This method is primarily used on older gas-powered models like Silverado, Sierra, and CK series trucks. Here are the key steps to bypass the fuel pump relay. First, locate the fuel pump relay in the underhood fuse box. Second, identify the fuel pump's power feed wire, often pink or orange, using a service manual or wiring diagram. Third, disconnect the relay and use a jumper wire with a 10 to 20 amp fuse to connect the pump's power wire directly to a 12-volt source like the battery. This bypass allows you to test if the fuel pump is functional. However, be aware that modern trucks with advanced ECM controls may not respond well to this method, potentially triggering diagnostic trouble codes. Bypassing the fuel pump relay poses significant risks, including electrical shorts and potential fires. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle's electrical system. Always use a fused jumper wire to prevent electrical overloads. This simple precaution can protect your vehicle's circuits from damage. This bypass is only a temporary diagnostic tool. If your truck starts after bypassing, it indicates a faulty relay or wiring that needs professional repair. For safer diagnostics, consider modern alternatives like OBD2 scanners or apps such as FixD. These tools can monitor your fuel pump health in real time without the need for direct electrical intervention. Remember that bypassing the relay bypasses important safety protocols built into your vehicle. This could potentially lead to ECU damage or even fires. Always prioritize professional diagnosis and repair for long-term reliability. In today's modern vehicles, advanced predictive maintenance systems are becoming increasingly common. These technologies can detect issues before they occur, making traditional bypassing methods largely obsolete.